Attention, long droite 5, attention.
Ja pitkä vaseeri plus pikku sumppu. Oikea täys, korjaa oikea 7. Vasen täys miinus 120.
Derecha izquierda, buena más en quinta ras. Con fe. Buena más en quinta ras, Azar. Para derecha rápido, ojos de cierre. Para uno, frenando mucho. Izquierda, buena menos lenta. Se tira y se abre. Azar.
Get left and 6 right, don't cut, and 4 left plus. And 6 right into 2 left plus over crest, narrows. And 6 crest and 6 left into 3 right, opens. 30, 4 left plus.
The road condition would have been the same for everyone then, all the loose gravel would be off the top, but then again you never know. Carlos and Didier might have taken a bit more, but I think it was the right decision as far as safety goes.
Really like it. I'm going to keep that one.
Yes! Very well done, boys. Fantastic job. Thank you very much.
How hard have you found this rally?
It's probably been harder than a lot of other victories. It's very hot, very dusty, and that makes it hard as well.
Colin McRae recebe justamente os aplausos. Assim, no final desta edição, campeão do mundo.